The Protestant Great Church or Great Reformed Church is probably the most well-known building in the city of Debrecen. It stands in the city center between Kossuth Square and Calvin Square. It is the symbol of the Protestant Church in Hungary. It was built between 1805 and 1824 in neoclassical style. The Great Church has historical significance. Debrecen is the second largest city in Hungary after Budapest. It is the regional center of the North Great Plain region and the capital of Hajdú-Bihar County. The name was first mentioned in 1235 as Debrecen. In 1361, Louis I elevated Debrecen to market town, then in 1697 it became a free royal town. The main arterial road passes through the center of Debrecen from the Great Forest in the north to the railroad station in the south. The middle section of the road is known as Piaci utca or Market Street. The visitor can found here and also in some of the side streets, especially in Kossuth utca, a number of interesting houses dating from the transitional period leading up to the Art Nouveau style.
The Bethlen Gábor Secondary School of Economics was founded in 1857. Here was the first Hungarian language training. In 1886 our school became a commercial academy. Our school celebrated the 100th anniversary of its existence on the 14th of December 1957 when our institution assumed the name of the big Transylvanian sovereign Bethlen Gábor. A quarter of a century ago, the economic training was expanded by a postal service division. In 1998, the Móri Zsigmond Vocational School became a member institution of the Bethlen. In 2007, the 150th anniversary was celebrated with a one-week-long Jubilee Week.
Higher education began in Debrecen with the Calvinist College of Debrecen, which was founded in 1538. Over centuries of its existence, it was one of the key institutions of higher education in Hungary. In the beginning of the 20th century, the college was transformed into a university. In 1912, the Hungarian Royal University was founded. The university incorporated the technology, law, and arts facilities of college and added a medical school. In 1932, the university's main building was completed, which is the largest building in the city, and was designed in eclectic and neo-Baroque style. On the 1st of January 2000, the college and the universities of Hajdú-Bihar County, the University of Agriculture, Lajos Kossuth University, and the Medical University was combined. The Csokonai Theatre is a romantic-style theatre. It was erected between 1861 and 1865. By the early 20th century, it seated 600 people. The building's facade is ornamented with huge figures of two muses, Melpomene and Terpsichore, and with the statues of 6 famous Hungarian poets who were connected to the theatre.
The Hotel Lyceum is located in the direct vicinity of the Great Church and Dairy Museum. The hotel itself can be found in the unique business and conference complex of the region in the Kölcsey Center. The name of the hotel originates from a rarity of nature, a plant that has grown into a tree, Lycium halimifolium.
During the Hungarian Revolution of 1848, Lajos Kossuth made a Hungarian Declaration of Independence here on the 14th of April 1848 and was elected governor of the country here. The armchair in which he sat can be viewed in the church.
The city has hosted several international sport events in the last years, such as the second World Youth Championship in Athletics in July 2001 and the 2007 European Swimming Championships. In 2002, Debrecen hosted the World Artistic Gymnastics Championship. The city hosted the 19th FAI World Hot Air Balloon Championship in October this year.